I'm going to show you a little trick that will prevent you from breaking your hip buckles on your pack by standing on them. Obviously this happens, it's an accident if you don't take care, but we can prevent it entirely. Welcome to Beck's Bug Out Survivor Quick Tips. What we have to do is to lift the buckles completely off the ground by using the sternum strap. So I'm going to take the hip buckles and fasten them together. Now this is something I'll do as soon as I get to camp. I don't want to do this before I start setting up. So it's probably the first job I do is to connect the hip buckles. So far so good. Now the hip buckle, lift it off the ground and feed the sternum strap underneath it and continue to connect up the sternum strap and tighten it. The buckles are well off the ground, and these accidents occur generally before you've even started setting up. Once you've set up, hang your pack to a tree, off a fence, take it off the ground completely. But this will ensure you never stand on a buckle again.